What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Hyundai Venue remote key fob. This Hyundai Venue key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other things I'm going to need to change this key fob battery are a small Phillips head screwdriver and a smaller flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip the key blade open. Now I'm going to hold the fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm looking at the side where that key blade flipped out of. And if we grab our flathead screwdriver, there's going to be these two notches. You can see one right here that the end of my screwdriver's in, and there's another one like it right here. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch like that, and then just pry up a little bit. You can see that back pop up. Then this one's already pretty loose, but if you come over to the other side, you can do the same thing. And then once you get it loose enough, it'll just pull the rest of the way off like that. Now we see there's another cover here that has these two Phillips head screws in it. Go ahead and take those screws out. And then once we get these two screws out, this whole back cover here will pull off like that. Now we see our battery right here. And what I'm going to do is grab my flathead screwdriver and just use it to get under the edge of the battery. Pop it out of that little holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And if you notice, if we call the top here where the key blade is, on the bottom of this battery holder, there's these two plastic tabs. So what I'm going to do is kind of tuck that edge in first. So tuck that edge in first like that. Then snap it down into place. And then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So with this piece, it's got this tab right here that my thumb's on. Tuck that in first. And then we'll put these two screws in. Once those two screws are in, we can snap this back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.